Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw anime and manga hair. This was requested a few times on my social media, so I thought I'd give it a go. I'm going to do 5 or 6 different hairstyles here, as always starting with pencil. The most important thing I've been finding when drawing anime and manga hairs is to try and get a tapered end to the stroke. So as you come to the end of the hair, make sure that you're lifting the pen or the pencil off so that you're getting a thinner edge as opposed to what you've been doing for the rest of the line. With the manga hair also, it's important to find sort of a fringe line, and as you'll see in most of these, there's a point that the hair starts to come down from, which will fall onto one side of the face, and from there you can then work around the drawing. The most common hairstyles that I've been finding, obviously for the boys, is quite a spiky look, and you've got different spikes going in different at different angles. And with the girls, we have this quite long looking hair which comes down over the face, over the fringe. There's quite often a fringe or bangs if you're living in America, which comes around the eyes. When I'm drawing any anime faces and heads, I always start with the chin area. So I come down with the chin area, find the point, which is always quite pointed, and then I go. The next part that I do is I always find that midsection in the fringe, and I come down from there. So we've got a couple of girls' hairstyles so far, a long straight hair. Now the thing is, when you're drawing these anime types of hairs, is the colouring in is really important. I didn't colour any of these in at the moment. I just thought I'd do these in black and white just to make it simple for you. But when you're colouring these hairs, it's good to get 3 different colours if you're using something like a Copic marker. You want your base colour, and then you want a darker colour, and you want a mid-tone. And depending on where the light source is coming from, you want to be making sure that you are putting some darker areas into the undersides of the hair. I'm doing a braid at the moment, just a quick braid, just to show you roughly how you do it, so sketching the shapes out. And then this one here is a bun that I'm drawing. Very simple, really easy to do, quite enjoyable. I hope you like these 6 different drawings. I hope you give them a go. Like everything, like with the eyes, practice makes perfect. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you're subscribed to the channel, thank you very much. It means an awful lot to me. If you aren't subscribed, I hope you'd consider subscribing. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.